welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Last but not least, I think I'm the last person in the world to get this, but I'm so happy about it, and it is the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette. I was wanting this in the spring when Bloodlust came out. I was sure it was going to be this palette, but it's not. But it's here now, and that's what's important. What's happening today? And this is the beautiful packaging on it, and the lovely clasps. And it is a little stiff to open, but I've only touched a couple of the shadows. So we're going to do some swatches, and then we're going to do a look with this beauty, this bountiful beauty that is Blood Money. Maybe I won't do all the swatches because I'm not the first person out with this video, but I'm going to swatch a few of the colors that I'm very interested in. So I can kind of get an idea of what I'm dealing with. Look at that. Just gorgioso. It is beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain. All right, let's see where I want to get started with this. This palette is so beautiful. I think I'm going to start in the crease with Make It Rain. Very pigmented, not a big surprise. I'm just going in real light with it. Because I want to blend it out. There's so many greens in here, but this is just beautiful. So let's get a blending brush in this motherfucker. And I'm self-conscious now. I chipped a tooth. I chipped my front tooth on something crunchy and some keto ice cream I was eating. And it's very embarrassing. I know you probably can't even tell, but if I don't say something about it, then I will feel some kind of way. This is just gorgeous. What's up, Wolfie? So pretty. Such a brilliant spring green. And the Make It Rain has little dollar bills with wings. I'm going to go... What will I do next? It's so many colors. I'm going to go under the brow with Divine Intervention here. Oh my God, that is brilliant. It's got a fantastic green shift. I don't know, can you see the green shift? I hope you can. Wow, this palette is so good. So good. I just can't hardly stand it. Where to next? I think I want to go a little bit darker. So I'm going to go into Self-Made. No, that's not right. I'm going to go into Equity right there. Is that darker? I don't know. I'm just playing around. It is darker, and it's kind of a mustardy green. Oh yeah, that's beauteous. It just still looks green because it's all green for the most part. Darker still, I'm going to go into Tax Freeze. There we go. That's starting to darken it up like I want, like I need. So pretty. Time for blending. Soften it up. And then for my lid, I'm going to go into Money Heist here, this goldy green with a ski mask on it. Oh yeah. It's very beautiful. It's got a bright flash of green shimmer. Very, very pretty. I'm just doing it on the other side. Just bringing it all the way over. So beautiful. Now I need to blend some more. I think I'm going to pick up, let me blend it a little more. I think I'm going to go into a lighter green and kind of go on the outside of the darkness. And I think I'm going to go into Poison Ivy here, this right here. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, that's really punching it up. I feel like I need to go a little darker in the crease. So I'm going to go into Black Card Limit. Super pigmented. Oh, that looks great with the punches of green. Just got to blend it out now. Ooh, this is such a complicated look. This is such a tricky trickster. It'll look better once I have my liner on. And I'm going to be using my Stila liner. Looks like it's a little blacker on the right side. It's easier to take off than to add. There we go, that's much better. Looking out my back door. Little CCR. Ooh, that looks so good. Some mascara. Look at that glazed donut highlighter. Pop. And I'm going to use, while it's still good, my Pat McGrath Dark Star. And between the lash serum that I keep using, and the lash serum has also been growing some sparse, I've got some empty spots on my brows. It's growing my brows back. So that's really awesome. I'm really excited about losing some bald patches, brow-wise. And I don't think it really matters what brand of lash serum you use. I think they all work pretty much the same. They all have about the same formula. I feel so dramatic and special. Now what kind of lip should I use? That is the big question. I do have I think I'm going to go in with a black lip for Weirdo. Get it started. Oh, I've got a little black on my upper lip. Foundation brush. That was crazy. I feel very fancy and dramatic. And here we have it. A Weirdo Blood Money look. I feel super glamorous and beautiful And I love this palette. I'm super glad to have it. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.